My lovely student, have you ever felt stuck? Even though you know the words, you freeze when it's time to speak English? You're not alone. Many learners understand grammar and vocabulary, but still feel nervous when it comes to real conversation. So today, I want to give you 5 confidence tricks that actually work. These are not just tips. They're real strategies that helped one of my students go from silent and shy to bold and fluent. I'll show you how each trick works, how to apply it in real life. And at the end of each, I'll share the true story of how one learner overcame fear using it. Ready? Let's begin. Trick 1. Practice out loud. Not just in your head. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is this. They study silently. They read, they listen, but they don't open their mouth. And then, when it's time to speak, they freeze. Speaking is a physical skill, like swimming or playing guitar. You have to move your mouth, hear your own voice, and make mistakes out loud. So my question for you is, when was the last time you said a full English sentence out loud, just for practice? Try it now. Say, I'm ready to speak English with confidence. Did you do it? Great! Now try saying a few things about your day, even if no one is listening. My student Amina, for example, used to walk to work and speak English to herself, describing the trees, the sky, what she was wearing. After 2 weeks, her fluency improved, and when she finally had to speak to a tourist at her cafe, the words came out easily. She had already practiced them. So remember, don't just think in English. Speak in English every single day. Trick 2. Prepare set phrases for common situations. When native speakers talk, they don't invent every sentence from scratch. They use set phrases. Things like, that sounds great, or I'm not sure, let me check. So if you want to sound confident, prepare your own set of go-to phrases for situations you face often, like ordering food, joining a meeting, or greeting someone new. Let me ask you, do you have a phrase ready for when someone asks, how's your day going? If not, prepare one now. Maybe, pretty good, thanks. I've been keeping busy. My student Haruto had a part-time job at a bookstore, and he wrote down 10 short sentences that he used with customers. At first he was nervous, but after saying the same lines again and again, he began to relax. His voice became natural. He could smile and speak at the same time. So, lovely learner, prepare your English toolbox and fill it with phrases you can trust. Trick 3. Start small, but start speaking every day. Some learners wait for the perfect moment, maybe when they finish all their grammar books, or when they feel completely ready. But the truth is, confidence doesn't come from waiting. It comes from starting. And starting small is the best way. Can you say one English sentence today to someone? Or comment, thanks for the video on an English YouTube channel. or join a free speaking group online for just 5 minutes. These small actions build big courage. One of my students, Fareed, was terrified of speaking. But I gave him one challenge. Every day he had to say just one thing to a stranger in English. "Hi, nice weather," or "Where's the nearest bus stop?" It was scary at first, but by day 5 he was laughing. By day 20, he was chatting. So my question for you is, what is your one small action today? Trick 4. Use your body. Posture affects confidence. Here's something many learners don't realize. Your body affects your brain. When you sit up straight, take a deep breath, and smile, your brain starts to feel confident. It's not magic, it's science. Studies show that changing your posture can actually reduce stress and improve performance. So next time you speak English, whether on a phone call or in a video, try this. Stand tall, smile, and speak clearly. You'll feel different. I once had a student named Maria, who always looked down when speaking. She spoke softly, mumbled, and didn't believe in herself. I asked her to practice standing in front of a mirror, head up, shoulders relaxed, and saying, "I speak English with power." After 1 week of mirror practice, something changed. She didn't just look different, she felt different. And her classmates noticed too. So let me ask you, how's your posture when you speak English? Trick 5. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Many learners are hard on themselves. One small mistake and they say, "I'm terrible at English." But this mindset kills confidence. You have to celebrate progress, even the tiny wins. Did you learn 3 new words today? Celebrate. Did you say hello to someone in English? Celebrate. My student Daniel kept a success notebook. Every day he wrote down one thing he did in English, even if it was small. I watched a movie without subtitles. I answered one question in class. And guess what? After 30 days, he looked back and saw proof of his progress. That notebook was his motivation. So my question for you, what can you celebrate today? Don't wait for perfect. Focus on better. And better is something you can achieve every day. So, my amazing learner, which of these tricks will you try first? Will you speak out loud today? Will you write down your power phrases? Remember, confidence is not something you're born with. It's something you build. And you build it through action, not perfection. You've heard the stories, you've seen the examples, and now it's your turn. Speak even if your voice shakes. Try even if you make mistakes. Because every time you do, you get stronger. You're not alone. I'm here with you, and I believe in you. Speak English without fear, because the world is ready to hear your voice.